back from the dead.
Hello guys, it's Reps here, and this is my first YouTube video on my channel. And so, you know, we're going to be playing some games like CSGO, H1Z1, DayZ, Rocket League, Minecraft. Oh, Minecraft, I get. And yeah, it's going to be really fun. And please subscribe if you enjoyed my content. If you like this video, then give a like. If you don't, go ahead, dislike, be my guest. Please subscribe to my friend Jordan. He has a channel named Jordan Z Gaming. He deserves more subscribers than he has, to be honest. When he was younger, he had a stroke, and it's really awesome to see him come out and play video games. He's really good at them too. And I guarantee he'd be way better than me if he had 2 arms. So yeah, please subscribe to him. I'll put his link in the description, and I will put an annotation in the screen. So please subscribe to him. It would mean the world to me. I'd rather you subscribe to him than me. And let's try to get him to 50 subscribers. He's at around 46, I think. And I wanted to get him to 50. So, and I will be making him like intros and stuff, and to get more subscribers and stuff. So I really want him to have more subscribers than he has. And yeah, I'm probably gonna be like a just chill guy, just talk about the gameplay at hand. I'm not gonna be like I might turn into a commentator. I don't think so though. Like a Leafy, no. But I think I'm just gonna be like playing the game and commentating as I play. And I'm not gonna do that reaction bullshit. And I might do some zombies games. I didn't mention that, like Black Ops 3 games, because I'm pretty good at zombies. I got to 73 as my highest, or 71 actually, sorry. And yeah, I want to try to get to 100. That'll be my goal, to get 100 rounds on the Horizon Jack before the 3rd DLC comes out, or 2nd, sorry, I'm so stupid. Yeah, and I was just thinking that would be a chill video. Tomorrow, we're going to be doing a video on H1Z1, or I might post that today, I'm not sure, on an AgriPug server. So yeah, see you guys soon, and be back.